Let us learn about numbers. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. The original examples are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Individual numbers can be represented by symbols called numericals. For example, 5 is a numeral that represents the number 5. People often are spellbound by numbers, basically used for counting, measuring, and ranking. They are not just symbols, they hold some sort of uniqueness. It is, in fact, interesting to know some interesting facts about numbers from 0 to 10. 0 is a special number. If there are 0 things, there are no things at all. For example, if a person has 0 hats, that means they do not have a hat. 0 is the smallest natural number, but sometimes number is defined without it. However, anyone can agree that it is an integer of whole number. It was invented or used later than the other natural numbers. There are some prime numbers such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Number 1, sometimes referred to as unit, is the first non-zero natural number. It is thus the integer after 0. Any number multiplied by 1 remains that number, as 1 is the identity for multiplication. As a result, 1 is its own factorial, its own square and square root, its own cube and cube root, and so on. In particular, when written in the decimal system, all multiples of 2 will end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 2 is the smallest prime number and the only even prime number. The number 3 is a very mystical and spiritual number featured in many folk tales. 4 is the smallest composite number, its proper divisors being 1 and 2. 4 is the smallest squared prime and the only even number in the form. Many things come in fives, the 5 Chinese elements, and 5 vowels in the English alphabet. In Britain, a fiver is a 5-pound note. 6 is the second smallest composite number. Its proper divisor are 1, 2, and 3. 7 is the lowest natural number that cannot be represented as the sum of the squares or 3 integers. 8 is an even composite number. It is composed of one distinct prime number multiplied by itself 2 times. It has a total of 4 divisors. 9 is the highest single-digit Arabic numeral. The number of digits of any multiple of 9 is 9. The only even prime number is 2. That's because all other even numbers can be divided by 2, which eliminates numbers from being prime numbers. The largest known prime number has 23, 249, 422 digits.